Hello, brother. Very, very early. One moment, huh? Hello, my friend. Very early again. Hey, really, very punctual, are you? Okay, let's go. Okay, today, right? I'm still scanning through the charts. I kind of think, we really should go for shots. Really, go for shots. Nice lah. Very, very good. Rick, I can see that you are getting so much better though. Really, so much better. You know, in a very, very short while, I think you'll be extremely good already. Okay, Palantir, I still got some position. I'm thinking whether I want to book off everything or not. Okay, I think it's not bad already, my ROI for Palantir. Let me see. Palantir. Ho, nice. 100% ROI 了. Okay, not bad, not bad. Yes, the calm before the storm. Because just now, Donald Trump also said something though. I think there was some news, He spoke roughly about 8 p.m. I was monitoring the market, but then I don't see much of an impact though. Yeah, got some semiconductor tariff plans are coming as soon as next week. And then Donald Trump also said that pharmaceutical tariff could reach as high as about 250%. And what else? I think these are the dramatic one. So semiconductors, they are also going to announce tariff. So it will go up in 1 year to 150%, and then the next should be 250%. Wow, that's a lot, man. My God. Yeah, so let's see what happens to this. But semiconductors, you look at NVIDIA, AMD, nothing much though, not much of a movement. Amazon still going down. Meta, not too sure. Google seems like a bit more upside. Okay. Oh, okay. Because you know why or not? Firstly is because I saw SPY. Remember yesterday I sent in a chart stating that, about this filling of the gap. So after filling of the gap, can you see that it broke out of the trend line, it came back and then give you this huge ass wick. This candle with a huge ass wick, That's why I kind of think that possibly this can be a rejection and then it starts to go down even lower. Unless this area it starts to correct, then we will start to buy. If we don't see that likely, I think we look for short. That's why I just get out of Mara first. Yeah, Mara is also not moving after we got in. Yeah, so I'm not too sure whether what's the direction. Although I'm more bearish than bullish as of right now. That's why I feel that Mara, right, might drop even lower. So I decided to just exit first. Let me scan through them. Then after that, yep, a lot of stocks, I'm not too sure of the direction now. There's no consolidation though. That's the thing. Yeah, it's when we took it off, we only lose a little bit only. So I think it's still fine. Okay, Tesla. Tesla looks like there's a very, very nice short opportunity right now though. I'm actually looking at that. I'm thinking of going short. Yeah, Johnson & Johnson is wasted. Yesterday we should have entered. Yeah, normally when the market condition is not so ideal, the consumer defensive, they are usually quite strong. Yes, XXX. I'm also thinking of shorting. It looks really, really nice though for a shot. Right now, I'm just scanning through everything. Then after that, so I have a clearer idea whether how's the overall market like. Okay, let me go back to Johnson and Johnson in a short while. Let me stop at somewhere that I can remember. Okay. C or nothing. C. Okay, I will stop at CVNA. You go back to Johnson and Johnson. Yeah, there's a very very small one, but then no matter how, this is actually a valid breakout lah. It's a very valid breakout. So, but then yesterday I was not very confident about the market. I don't know whether it will drop or not. That's why I decided not to take it. Yeah, Tesla looks really nice for a shot. I like it. Yeah, it's almost breaking out soon, quite soon already. But we need the confirmation first. Coinbase. Let's see. Coinbase currently might be a little bit late to short already though. Yeah, it beats earnings, but then no recovery. Possibly today might start to recover. You measure from the start until the breakout. No. From the high until the low. The high of the correction until the low of the correction. So usually, I look at that. Then after that, after the correction ended already, I need a very sharp move to the upside. If no sharp move, right? So it's not a structure. So we should have took it. Yes, correct. Johnson and Johnson is not a structure. So we can definitely take that trade. Yeah, but it's the market condition. That's why I'm not very confident. So, I decided not to take it. If not normally, right, I will take the trade. No. It's only the correction from the high until the low because, right, ABC correction. So once the C is ended already, the next move that comes is the impulse. So the impulse you don't have to measure. Yes, bro. I live every single day. I do this full time. Every day for at least about 2 hours, If there's a lot of setups, there's a lot of topics to talk about. Maybe sometimes I live all the way until 1 a.m. plus. But then when it's a little bit boring, I will live for about 2 hours. Then that's it. Affirm, very strong. Okay, we are there. Yes, Affirm is strong. Not too sure what happened, yesterday Random also saw this trade. Yeah, but I also didn't get in lah. It's okay. It's okay that you miss a little bit here and there. Just be more careful first. Palantir, yes, Palantir I entered. Palantir, because I do both trading and long-term investment. I still have a long-term investment in Palantir. I bought it at $86. It was during the, I think, April period. Let me see. Yeah, I bought Palantir on 11th of April. So I bought it at about $86. I'm still inside. So I'm deciding whether, I want to book off everything or not. 100% ROI now. Yes, it's not bad. I have a lot of very very nice position. I catch right at the April bottom. Yeah, there's a lot of telltale sign that it's almost a bottom already. That's why I started to enter. Yeah, even my Nvidia is also I think 100% ROI. AMD also 100% ROI. The only disappointing one is Intel. Intel I got out already. Intel I took a very very small loss after the earnings because it doesn't perform. I hold for 4 months already. It doesn't perform. I just cut it. Okay, so far today I'm still not very clear about the direction though. Like, Yeah, I will check the setups that we found yesterday. Oh, DD suddenly, DD because of earnings. Okay, because of earnings. Suddenly fire off. MPC, nothing yet. Okay, I need to shift the trend line for MPC. Yep, need to stretch a little bit longer. VLO, nothing. APA. Bio, also nothing. Open, okay. Today went up a little bit, but then earnings is coming today after market close. Okay, analog looks quite nice though. Analog. No, not analog. What stock is this? Oh, no. This one is a crypto. Okay. This one is not a stock. There's... Okay, this one also got earnings. Hello, Hazel. Nice to see you again. Are you feeling better already? Okay, great. Yes, of course, XXX. I said stop loss. My stop loss are those, that I don't change it at all. The moment I said it is there, I either take the loss, if not, the trade starts to fire off. Yeah, so I follow my trading plan or trading rule for the stop loss. I don't remove them. Ah, yeah, Rick yesterday, in life, he told us he's also not feeling well. I'm also not feeling well over the weekend though. I got very bad sore eye. Then after that, I think the last 2 or 3 days, I got very bad diarrhea. My whole family got very bad diarrhea. I think, no, we got it for my baby. I also don't know where she got it. Cannot be lah. If I see too many pretty girl, eyes won't be sore. Eyes will bling bling. Okay, there are some very nice setups. That's the thing. The earnings are within these few days. My god, man. This Hazel, every time say I go and see pretty girls. Yeah, his buy is showing some signs of rejection. Not too sure whether that's the down move or not. Okay, market open already. Possibly, we wait for Tesla. If there's a confirmation, we take the shot. Okay, go. Go shower your dog first. Meta, Google, Microsoft. Okay, so far the Magnificent Seven. Upstart very strong, huh? Yeah, but today after market close is earnings though. It's okay lah. Just secure a bit of profit, then after we run first. Then we see what other trades can we find. The first one may be Tesla though. I like it. HSI still going up. Okay, nice. That means my 2800 is also going up a little. Okay, nice. Baba, we wait for confirmation. PDD. Futu. Okay, Futu possibly something that we can keep a lookout. TCOM, nothing. JD. Okay, GD, we need to wait for a little. Dow Jones still up. Nasdaq not bad. SPX, that's the thing. Oh, you just sold your upstart only. Okay, okay, nice, nice. BR, gap up, trend line, BR. Ayo, Hazel. Nice trade lah, nice trade, nice trade. Gap up trend line. Where you put the trend line though? How come gap up trend line? Oh, you put a small one at the end of the 1 hour. You put something like that? No, right? I don't think you put something like that. Or you put something inside here. BR, what stock is this though? Yeah, it's also earnings because of earnings. Earnings is going already. Okay, Amazon showing some sign of recovery. That's fantastic. How about SPY? Let me see SPY first. Okay, QQQ eh? Okay, not dropping a lot. But the recovery in Amazon is definitely good. Wait, why is stuck? Okay, let me see whether... Oh, I forgot to log into my account. One moment. Okay. Why? Upstart starts to drop, huh? Now dumb already. Okay, okay. Yeah, I think because of the remarks from Donald Trump. That's why it started to dumb a little bit. What stock is this? I'm scanning through a lot of stocks though. Why the dumb? Oh, just now 8 o'clock Donald Trump was talking. So he is going to increase the semiconductors tariff, I think to 150% maybe this year. And then next year will be 250%. And then pharmaceutical tariff is going to be up roughly about 250%. That's why, the market is not reacting so well as of right now. But it's still early. We are still not too sure, how's the reaction. It's still a little bit early. I do want to short something, but then I'm not too sure though. Okay, if you are talking about the new account, right? The new account that I just started last month, the 1st of July, right? That account is up about 13.9% now. About 13.9, almost 40%, almost 14%. Yeah, you can, follow me. Then after that, I'll keep updating the new account. So if I got time, if what do I want to say? I can't remember. Do trade port firm, they give more leverage. No. I am a retail trader. Yeah. How about overall? Overall, I grow a very, very small account. In between, I did, top up money into the account. All that I started from 30,000, and then I grow all the way until more than 7 figures. About 1.3 plus now. What do you mean by trade top firm. They give more leverage. Okay, Tesla, I'm waiting for the breakdown. If we do, breakdown, I'm going for short. How much you deposit? Like overall, possibly 100 over 1,000, 100 over 1,000, I think. Around there, along the years, because I have two accounts, one is a trading account, the other is a long-term investment. Long-term investment one, I deposited more. The long-term investment, I think over the years, I deposited about 300 over 1,000, but then the trading account about 100 plus. Yeah, you need to strike a balance. So inside my course, I teach everyone how to strike a balance. You can definitely do both. So just grow your trading account first. Once your trading account is quite substantial, do long-term investment. Because long-term investment can be VOO, can be stocks, all that. The profit is still really, really nice though. Like April, I bought those, all the stocks, all that. Almost all of them are 100% ROI. The only one that doesn't perform is Intel. Oh, trading is skill investing. Yes. Trading it takes more skills. Long-term investment is a no-brainer lah. I can say most likely it's a no-brainer. You just go and you have money, go and buy all the Magnificent Seven. I don't think you will die anywhere lah. It's a very, very safe thing, Yeah, so if you just do long-term investment in stocks, just go buy all the Magnificent Seven like your Nvidia, Amazon, Meta, Google. If you can hold for 1 year, 2 years, you will definitely make money. Tesla, so far no confirmation. That's the thing, Rick. We need to wait for a little bit more. After Donald Trump remarks, the market seems to be recovering quite well though. Yeah, so far no more new news coming out. The only one is about the semiconductor tariff and pharmaceutical tariff. That's more or less about it already. Okay, did I miss any comments? Yeah, Rick, I'm waiting for that breakdown. If we do get that breakdown, I want to short Tesla. But today, you look at the market, like, I'm also not too sure whether shorting is a good idea or not. We need to wait for a little bit more. Once we get confirmation, right, then we see what to do next. SE, nothing. Net, also nothing. FTNT. UAL. Okay, a firm dumping already. Upstart also possibly coming down a little bit. Okay, Upstart there's earnings tomorrow, so forget about it. Fuyo, LMD. My god. Wow. Oh, the earnings is so strong. Oh, nice. Nice. Every single time, LMD, the earnings, it just fire off though. Phew, gone. Hello, my friend. How are you? You got any setup for us or not? How's your trading so far? Have you started already or you are still on demo trading? Okay, DDOG earnings in 2 days time. TTD. I think earnings is, yeah, also Thursday. Okay. Okay, Tesla no confirmation. I'll wait for a little bit. Ah, okay, got confident now, huh? Nice lah, potato. Nice, man. 加油, okay? Demo trade for 1 more month. Next month, come back stronger, start to make money. AVGO still going up. TSM. Actually, TSM looks not bad for a short also. But this is like no point putting this on. Okay, it'll be a risky trade though if you try to short TSM. Hey, how come there's new chats there? Okay, let me see, huh? Oh, okay, random. Okay. Okay, let me stay at the live stream chat. Okay. Google very strong, huh? Suddenly, what happened to Google? No, when everything doesn't move, when everything started to move, Google doesn't move. And then now when everything doesn't move, Google starts to move. Funny. Okay, Oracle still going up, guys. Snow can. Where's yesterday the whole list? Okay, I found it. Okay. Snow, no setups and don't have a short setups also. You need to wait for the consolidation to last a little bit longer. A little bit longer. Then we can see whether we can go for short or not. This one is too early already. Okay, we scan through the rest of the list that we found yesterday. So firstly, CVS, not done yet. Nike, not done yet. TT, not done. Yep, not done yet. TT definitely not done. So I will set another alarm again. Okay, next is PM. PM still not done. PPL, nothing. XOM, nothing. Affirm, nothing. QCOM, nothing. U. G&J gone already. So we left with TOW. Okay, everything is not ready yet. So, okay, also got Uber. Can we see Uber? Uber is going up though. We need that consolidation, then we can start to buy. Yep, we need that consolidation. See, we are approaching resistance already. Wait for that consolidation. Then TTWO. 4 hours. Yeah, also need some consolidation, then we can start buying. Actually, I'm quite interested in CVNA also. CVNA, don't know whether I can buy or not. Let's see. Yeah, you all can tell, right? The market sentiment is like almost immune to Donald Trump remark already. 100%, 150% tariff on semiconductor, 250% tariff on pharmaceuticals, and the market reaction is like, need noise, so little. Everybody is so used to, him flipping prata. It's unlike, back in April period where the market is going wild, super crazy, suddenly just, a huge dump, a very fast sell off. But right now everything's still going up. Google and Microsoft is especially strong today. Okay, this trade is a little bit more high risk, but then it's a day trade. Just take it as a day trade. Okay, done. Hey, wait, I forget. Oh, I keep forgetting I got another account. I forget to buy for another account. One moment, Okay, done. Oh, Google is strong, man. Hey guys, thanks for liking the live stream. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it, guys. Yep, no confirmation. That's why. Don't take the trade. Yep, SPY is still going up, huh? Really, the news like no impact though. Okay, let's see. Okay, PMI is good. Tomorrow, okay, wait, just take a look at this week. This week, this week only left tomorrow, crude oil inventory and then the 10-year note, 30-year bond. Okay, most likely not much of an impact to the market, so can skip. Bitcoin looks fantastic, my friend. Really looks super awesome. Coin. Okay, I also do this is another high risk trade though. Okay, let's wait for a little bit. Wait for a little bit. Possibly I might take a day trade on it. AMD, I like it, but then there's earnings after market close. So if I think it will somehow also impact Apple. Affect Nvidia. So we have to be careful for AMD and Nvidia. Oracle still up. Netflix still ding ding dong dong at the same place, inside our FVG, not doing anything. Wow, Hazel must be a happy woman. Rick, you also shorted Adobe, right? Nice lah, good money 了. This TSM is quite quick though. Let's see. Palantir. Nice lah. This Palantir is awesome. Hello, Shiro. DLO. Let's see. DLO. Yeah. Yeah, no opportunity for me at this current moment though. And earnings is also coming, huh? Next week, Wednesday. Yeah, I don't see any setups in this area. Oh, live chat. Ken, CRM. So sorry, my friend. CRM. CRM, I do think that possibly the correction is going to done soon. Okay, this one we got time. The earnings is 20th of August, so definitely have time. Yeah, this trade maybe you cannot try to pick somewhere here to buy. It's quite possible, huh? If the market is still performing quite well. Okay, I think you know what to do lah. Potato. Right. Yet. Right, let me see. Yeah, I saw already. Thank you, Rick. Thank you. Yeah, Riot, I still don't like it though. I think there was someone who asked me about Riot on live stream, right? I can't remember. Yeah, Riot is a trade that, if you want to try to look for shorts, I think shorts, you'll make more money. You can see, right, every single time when it's tank, it tank quite fast. You see, it tank quite fast. This also tank quite fast. Yeah, can look for short for Riot, I think. Yes. Oh, looks good. Very, very nice. Very nice. I like it. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you so much. That looks really nice. That is beautiful. Super duper beautiful. Nice. Thank you, my friend. Yeah, it's not bad. It's really, really not bad. How do you tell the correction is not done for which instrument? CRM is it, or Riot? Oh, CRM. CRM you can flip, right? You can use the flip, right? Because if you go up to the 4 hours, you can see you have like a ABC correction, but then your B wave is quite complex. So if you flip your A wave, you will know where likely your C wave will go to. Yeah, it's also looking like a bear flag. Correct. But if you ask me which one I will choose, I think likely I will choose Riot for short. Because this one doesn't look like there's much room left for downside though. So if you flip your A wave, you'll know already. Yeah, so after it's done already, likely, this three-wave correction is done, likely you'll see the upside. So this is one trade that you can try to pick the bottom and then try to buy. Okay, just now I was looking at one stock, right? What was I looking at? My god, I forget liao. Is it TSM? I think I was looking at TSM, right? Okay, sure, give me a moment. I am finding trades. Neo also breaking down. Nice. Neo, okay, okay. Neo, nice. This one is not bad. Nice, not bad. Yeah, Neo, if you go for a shot, I would definitely say 100%. Baba, how's Baba doing? Okay, PDD, okay, Futu. Futu is somehow like breaking out. Okay, Neo is really not bad. How's the daily chart? It actually looks not bad. I think we can try to do a day trade or something on Neo. Okay, I will set the alarm first. I'll revisit shortly. Okay, I will take this first. Okay, we go back to NIO. No earnings, right? Nope. HSI up. JD. Looks like it's going up for JD. Photo is definitely strong. This photo for you, damn powerful. Spy. Okay, so far, run now what time? Okay, 10 already. Okay, after market open, it is down. Tesla leh? Okay, oh, beautiful, beautiful. This is beautiful. Tesla is beautiful. I like it. Nvidia also coming down. AMD earnings tomorrow. Let's go. Yes. So don't be too happy. Hi, yesterday, the market went up. Netflix. Okay, I just want to get a little bit more confirmation. Then after that, I will see what should we do. Come on, QCOM can consolidate a little bit more now. It will be so nice to short it though, QCOM. Okay, I want to set some alarms for Palantir. In case Palantir suddenly just set off, I will book all my profits for my long-term investment in Palantir. Crowd. Nope. Oi, oi, oi. PH looks quite good though. Ah, damn, earnings. Hiya, earnings again. Why all nice one all have earnings? My god. Fastly also looks so nice, but then earnings tomorrow after market close. Damn. Okay, Roku How's OXY? OXY, okay, earnings not there yet. UNH slight recovery. Visa still dumping. My god. Okay, wait, master. Still don't have a valid setup. CRM dump again. CVNA. Fuyo there, firm dump a lot. My god. Okay, new cross trend line. New, I think we can take a very, very small size, Try not to be too aggressive. 4.8. Okay. Wait, no, wrong. Okay, done. Spy. Okay, HPE, can HPE. HPE looks good, looks good for a shot. Really looks very good. Okay, but then where's the earnings? Okay, these are far away, which is good. It's nice. It's nice. JPM also, can. Oh, potato also can find very good trades, Congratulations, my friend. Hey, can we add this into our watch list? This is HP. Hey, do I HPE? Okay, I will edit. Okay, one moment. Wait. Oh, this one is sent by Rick. Rick, you can help me to add in or not? HPE. And then we take a look at JPM. Hey, what did I press? JPM. Oh, I also have my leash, right? Where's my leash? Okay, JPM looks good. Very, very nice. I like it. This one, you can take a very aggressive trade. Really, really aggressive one. If you want to. But normally this type, right, I like to take it like a position trade, I guess. Oh, click on the forward message. I can see. Click on the forward. Oh, okay. Okay, thank you, my boss. Thank you. Okay, nice. Okay. I'll go and add into, the setups there. Nice, man. Okay. Thank you. My IT expert. Okay, let me look at the historical of JPM first. Is there any more bad news coming in or not? So far, no. Okay, JPM, I come back shortly. I think just now someone asked about some stock. SMCI, ANET, NVO, SMCI. Wait, SMCI. Okay, there's earnings tomorrow, Is it tomorrow? It looks like tomorrow. Oh, tonight after market close. Likely no setup for me, since there's earnings later on. Then NVO also earnings coming though tomorrow when market open. Okay, so this one 100% no setup again. Then ANET, same thing, bro. All your stocks have earnings either today after market close. If not, tomorrow when market open. It's dangerous though if you have like any trades, unless you're in very, very good profits. Then after you can decide to uh tighten up your stop loss or take more profit first, because earnings usually it can spike in either direction, either 10%. Yeah, so be careful on that part. Palantir seems going down. Many should be taking profit. Oh, Palantir going down, Okay. Yeah, I also thinking after earnings, if it doesn't perform, I also want to exit already. This one not going down This one like okay Okay. After earnings, it pulls back a little bit, reasonable. Okay, reasonable to chop here a little bit before it starts to go again. So nothing much to kanchong here. We have a very nice FVG, so as long as it respect the FVG, we can definitely still hold for more upside. CrowdStrike, okay, going down. No, we saw Palantir already. Okay, this TSM good. Okay, if that's the case, let me see. Cucumber, Ken. Nice lah, your Adobe. Wow, nice, nice, nice. He's a very, very nice. Really, really nice trade. You want to short now? Qcom? Actually, I do think that Qcom will consolidate a little bit more though. Just a little bit more before it's ready for a short. AMD coming down, Tesla also coming down. Okay, I have a aggressive plan for for NVIDIA. I think I will update you guys. You know what's my plan for NVIDIA in the next market update video. So if you want to, you can follow me along and do some long-term investment. And then if the dollar index were to come down one more time, try to change more money again. But then I don't think it will come back to about this trend line area. So if it just goes down a little bit more, possibly you can decide whether you want to change more money or not. It should be quite worth it. They can use those money, go and do some long-term investment. Okay, SPY is dumping a little, which is good. Tesla coming soon, coming soon. How about Intel? Intel got recovery. Okay. Amazon still okay. Need some recovery. Mara. It's possible. It's really possible. Really. Yeah, but usually moves like that, they will be quite short-lived. So if you short, it doesn't go much, and then after that, it starts to consolidate again. So I think Mara can definitely wait for a little bit more. But if you ask me worth the risk or not, I would definitely say worth the risk. It looks amazing. Okay, just now I saw a few that are very nice though. I don't remember what was it. I need to scan again. Okay. Hello, Hazel. Nice to see you again. What was it? Did my alarm get triggered or what? No leh, what did I saw? My god, why am I so forgetful? Every single time I scan something, I like it, I forget about it. Oh, okay. The trade setups, is it there? Okay, JPM. Okay, guys, this one will be an aggressive trade, So follow at your own risk, Okay, let me see. Okay, done. Do you see potato message on? Where did he send? Potato sent something about RBLX, man. Where, huh? Oh, okay. No wonder. Okay. I went to edit message. Oh, sorry, guys. I was editing the old message. Then, when the new message came out, I didn't see all your comments. I thought you all were not chatting though. Sorry. Oh, my God. Nah, there's so many chats. Okay, UPST. It actually fulfilled already, but then wait, one moment, huh? It actually fulfills already as a expanding triangle, possibly, right? But then there's earnings. So after earnings are likely, if this is a real expanding triangle, you'll see the impulse to the upside. Oh, RBLX. How come? How come? What happened? Uh, Live stream chats. Okay. RBLX potential day long. Um, I don't think I will take the long though. Yeah, I will drop down to the 5 minutes and then I will monitor this area. So if you do see a breakout or something, possibly can go for long. But then because today, right, after Donald Trump announced the semiconductors tariff and pharmaceutical tariff, right, um, I'm not too sure whether going for long is a good idea or not. Yeah, unless this setup is beautiful, maybe I will consider. But as of right now, For me, I feel that it's neither here nor there. GPM. Oh, this one is like, breakout retest possibly can drop. But then this is a high risk trade. Normally, I wouldn't recommend, doing that. Yeah, because I look back at the historical part of, JPM. Just I think I was scrolling somewhere. Yeah, I was looking at somewhere around this area, if I'm not wrong. So it's like, I will always do this. I always look back at historical charts. So something, if you try to draw a trend line, something like that, this area is also doing something very similar to what we are seeing right now. Then another one is, I think here, if I'm not wrong, where was it, huh? Yeah, I think I connected this part, So it's also doing something like that. So I saw all this on the historical charts of JPM. That's why I decided to take the trade. So sometimes you all can see, right, I don't follow my own trading rule. You think next week when he announced all the chips company will be kena lah? I think likely. But then the impact won't be as much as right now, I feel. Because more or less he already say 150% this year, next year 250%. So likely I think, though won't have much impact by then. But then, as months goes by, you start to see uh, all the company reports, how is tariff going to affect them, all that. Then from there we will definitely be able to make a better judgment. Ang Ku Kueh brother, Roderick. AMD dumping before the news. AMD at current moment, I really can't tell, earnings where it will go to though. Looks like both direction is possible. Hopefully, AMD spike up, okay? Before that dump, let me get out. I book all my profits, and then it can dump as much as it wants to. No issue. Quite a huge move already for, 4 months. Yep, quite a really huge move. Okay, after such a huge move, these earnings, it went down. And then it starts to consolidate. Okay, how long did this last? Let me see. Oh, this one is not long, for about 4 months. Okay, 4 months. Okay, just now there was still some setups, right? Let me scan through them. TROW J&J U QCOM AF affirm. Eh? QCOM. Oh, QCOM is going down already. Hazel, you shorted QCOM? XOM PPL PM SO Snow. This one no. Okay, okay. Yeah, Snow, I think we also can wait a little bit. Yeah, hopefully, QCOM don't tank too much first. Wait for us. TT, okay, Nike, CVS. Okay, the nice one I think is PPL. Is it? Nope, what was it? XOM. But XOM, I think there's earnings. Oh, earnings done. Okay. Okay, no confirmation for you, huh? Okay, okay. Can I also don't have a confirmation for QCOM. That's why I decided to wait for it a little bit more. Yeah, no confirmation for me. No, wait for a little bit more and then we see what it does. Okay, so far one that we can look out for, HPE. HPE monthly, let me see. Okay, weekly. Okay, weekly looks really nice. Daily not bad. No, wrong. Hmm. Okay, BTC dumb again. Bitcoin dumb again. Okay, still not done. Nifty. How about ARKK? ARKK also looks like it's going down. SMH definitely looks like some pullback. IWM. Okay, I think we can focus on some small and mid cap stock though. Okay, let me try to find some. Okay, guys, I will use the washroom. I come back shortly, okay? Then after that, we start to scan through the charts again. Wow, amazing, my friends. Fu yo yo. Nice shot lah. Okay, I think there's one more we can take one moment. Hello, Raymond. Nice to see you, my friend. Okay, we wait for a little bit. TSM, then nice, huh? Nice, nice, nice. Nice shot, my friend. At what price do you guys TP for Palantir? Braveheart, I'm still looking. So far, my alarm has not triggered yet. Yeah, so yeah, I'm waiting lah. I'm waiting if there's a very very nice. If Palantir is tanking, I will exit all my long-term investment. Ten. Sorry, guys. Every single time, I think because every single time, right, before I come to live stream, I drink some coffee first. If not, I'm so tired though. Then I got no energy. Yes, we need to be disciplined, okay? Oh, Richard, I never use Palantir as a gauge or anything. I look at it as, just an individual stock by itself. But because, I do expect a larger correction, so I've been holding for 4 months already. I think more than enough, about 100% ROI already. So I don't see much point for me to hold any longer. I can re-enter, when it starts to pull back again. Yeah, so right now I'm thinking of, exiting all my positions in Palantir because I bought at $86. $86 is where? $86, somewhere down here. Yeah, it was during the April period, so the profit is good already, very very good already. Yes, it's sweet lah, huh? Most of my long-term investment, all of them are at 100% ROI. All of them, AMD, Nvidia, all that. Even my VOO, I bought at right at the bottom. How about ARMA? Okay, guys, if you are interested, to join the course, let me know, okay? Then drop me a WhatsApp text. I will send you some information. Uh, um, I still think downside though. Down, definitely down. Snow, snow still need to wait, huh? Raymond, enjoy good holiday in Japan, huh? Then after I get to make some money. Good lah, huh? That's the power of trading. I love it, man. Really. Snow, yes, snow definitely need to wait. I think we need to wait. The next one should be, I think, HPE. But it's moving quite fast though. We just wait, okay? Wait for a little bit. No rush. There will be plenty of trades coming already. AMD tanking before earnings. Nvidia pulling back a little. SPY also dropping a little. Not too sure what it will do. Everyday meeting. You don't need to go to work, only meeting. Set alert. I set that 172.5 around there. Yes. Oh, good, Raymond, your job. No need to report to office. Nighttime go eat already. Walao, good man. Omakase. Next year, huh? Buy me omakase, huh? I need to collect a lot, so every single day I got something to eat. Okay, TT alarm triggered. TT, okay, nice, nice, nice. I like it. We exchange. No, 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 no. You buy me, okay? You make money, you buy me food. Okay, can. Very, very nice. $500 budget. Okay, steady. Aya, soon lah, soon, soon, soon. Wow, Pfizer. Okay, okay. Pfizer is earnings. I got a shock. I thought like, huh? How come Pfizer is moving up? Okay, because of earnings. Okay, usually times like that, the consumer defensive they are stronger. Every 5K you treat me one. That's like maybe 10% of your earnings though. It's okay lah. Huh? One time we'll do. One time we'll do. Normally I don't trade both. Both before and after. Normally, a few days before, I will tend to stay out already. Unless I got extremely good profits, like Palantir where I do long-term investment that type. So I don't mind holding through earnings because I'm also using a cash account. Because if I'm using like a margin account, let's say for example when I do trading, right, I use a margin account, and then you ask me to hold through earnings. If it doesn't do well, it will burn me quite badly though. Yeah, so to hold through earnings, usually I use a cash account. Margin account sometimes when I got very, very good profit, like recently, what did we hold through? Recently, I remember we hold through one stock for earnings. Anyone remember or not? And then it performed extremely well. Hit our target straight away with TP, and that's it. Do you all remember what stock was that? I remember it was given by Hazel or something. It was given by yes, CCI, yes, CCI. I think Hazel, right? Hazel gave what it was beautiful. So this is one of the trade because we identified a very nice triangle, and then we studied about it. We understand. So we hold through earnings. The moment it reached here with TP, we got out. It was fantastic. The RR is damn nice. I can't remember how much, but I think at least about 1:4, 1:6 around there. Okay, okay. Live stream chat. Okay. Uh, can okay, okay. Wait, huh? OXY, huh? Let me see. OXY. Oh, sorry, because I keep, I stay at the trade setup there. No, 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 no. Hazel, I think be careful, okay? Earnings tomorrow, after market close. TSM versus... Oh, TSM, I took it as a swing trade. So that one, I calculate based on, what you have learned. But then NEO, right? NEO is a day trade. So usually day trade, over here you can see, you have a FVG. You actually have two FVG. You have, there's like one FVG here. There's one here. And then there's one more here. There's two FVG, so I just place it, just above this smaller FVG, just by a little bit. So I use the smaller one because the smaller one is somehow, feel the FVG, give a very nice rejection. So I just place it there. MU can short soon. Okay, nice. Oh, you're all finding trades are fantastic, man, my friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you. My soldiers are strong. Strong soldiers, all commandos. I don't have to find setups already. You guys, fantastic, man. Good job. Really, really good job. Faster. Okay, okay. You are going to enter now, Hazel? Yeah, Hazel, potato, everyone. Nice lah, nice, nice, nice. MU actually looks good. But then the profit potential is just be careful, coming to another FVG quite soon. This one should be quite a strong one. About 101 around there. Oh, Tesla alert triggered. We can short Tesla. Oh, your TP also 101. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Hazel cannot wait now. Very, very hungry. Well, good job lah. Really, really good job. You guys can find really nice setups. Every single one of you. Good though. It's really, really good. You know, by doing that, the rest of the students, they see, you know, you give them confidence. Everyone will start to find. Yeah, cannot every day omakase already, okay? We need to go eat Wagyu beef, go eat caviar, all that. The black caviar. Okay, not bad, not bad. I think today we took quite a lot of positions, so we try to be a little bit more careful. So some of them I will just take it as a day trade. Okay. Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Raymond just went offline. What do you mean? Every 10k I treat you one omakase. Palantir also dropping. Forget it. I'm not in a rush to book my profit or anything. Just let it be. Yeah, you take back another, 5% or something. It's not a lot for long-term investment. Even 10% is also not a lot. So, I will just let it be for now. Check this CWD. Nice, nice. Suddenly you have a huge spike. Congratulations, my friend, if you're in CWD. Hello, my friend. Hang, hello. Oh, I'm looking to short. I want to short Tesla. I think likely possible if if we go into a larger consolidation, according to the market update video that you all saw this week, right? Likely 250. I think not an issue. So I want to short Tesla. Yeah, but we need to wait for a little bit more first, because the market has been going down for quite a fair bit already. Possibly, right, we might not have momentum quite soon. And right now we are roughly about 1 hour 30 minutes in already. Snow, okay. Good job, guys. Very, very good job. Really, really good job. Okay, snow, I will definitely wait for a little bit. Snow, it doesn't give me that confidence, I need a larger consolidation. Although it looks really, really nice, but I need something that, fulfills our rule. Right now, I don't think it fulfills our rule though. Yeah, it doesn't fulfill our rule. We need to wait minimally until at least tomorrow. Yes, XXX. Yes, I told everyone that I'm quite bearish lah. I'm more bearish in the market rather than bullish. Bearish to neutral, I think. So even in the video that I did for my students, they all of them I prepared them to go for shorts already. And how long was the video? Let me see. Okay, the student chats again. Yes, Cindy, I shorted MU, but it's a very, very quick trade. It's a very, very quick trade. Cindy, are you on live? If you're on live, that will be good. What did I want to do again, huh? Oh, I want to look at the video. How long was the video? I cannot tell. Oh, I cannot see it. I need to press play. Okay, okay. It is 18 minutes. The last video was 18 minutes for the group. Hopefully you all learn something new, huh? See how I analyze the charts, how I always look back at historical data. CWD gone already, brother. It's gone liao. Gone already. You have a huge spike. And earnings should be next Wednesday. Next Wednesday. Yeah, you're also hitting resistance soon, so just be a little bit more careful. Yeah, unless you get a pullback or something, maybe you can start to buy. But normally I don't trade stocks like that, so I can't advise you further, because to me, right, when I look at this, all I see is being jammed. Unless you really, you are so lucky you bought the stock right at here, and then within the next few days it just fire off. If not, usually to me, right, this one looks like you will jam inside for very, very long. 399 profit. Okay, nice. Yeah, for me, I can't if I send this to my group, I stuck inside, everyone will scold me like crazy. Because I run a group, so I cannot, even I myself, without running a group, previously I also don't trade stocks like that. Yeah, I also have no idea how to advise you though. Yeah, if you know how to trade this type of stock, good for you. If you're making good money, can continue. I myself, I can honestly tell you, I got no knowledge. Really, no knowledge, no experience. I have not traded stocks like that. Even that time, Figma IPO, that was like my very first time trying to chase an IPO stock. Throughout my 11 years plus trading, I have never ever chased any hypes before. Okay, initially when I first started, yes, I chase when the market starts to move. Uh, like when it starts to move, I chase. But then I have never ever tried IPO stocks. Yeah, so I can't advise you much about this, and I believe this is like a penny stocks right now. So I also have no idea, unless you are willing to stuck inside. I believe, right, you trade this type of stock, you stuck inside before, right? If you never stuck inside, I think you must be extremely good already. Yeah, for me, it's usually all the big names that like Nvidia, Amazon. These are my go-to lah. Yeah, that's how I also grow my account. And right now is quite stable, averagely, minimally every month, for the whole year, every month I can make minimally at least 5% around there. Yeah, slow and steady. For me, good enough. For me, good enough. I'm living a very comfortable life already with trading. Okay, brave heart. See you tomorrow. Yes, I do this full time. Yeah, if you want to see my record all that, you can go to my Instagram. I show my performance over there. But then that one is a new account lah. So as months goes by, there will be more and more, records there. Okay, what time are we? Okay, 2 more minutes. We can scan through those. We think that is almost ready. So we wait. HPE. Previously, this part was really nice though, but then we didn't see it, right? Or yeah, I don't think that time we saw it. Okay. Oh, I'll go back here. APPN. Okay, we compare a few, then we see. Johnson Pang, yes. APPN, yes, I saw. Okay. Chill, ใจเย็นๆ APPN earnings there's earnings Thursday. Okay. ใจเย็นๆ Rosaku. Okay, if full time then cannot read for this kind. Uh, for me, for me, it's very simple. I only trade things that I understand. That gives me very high risk to reward. Give me very high probability of going in the direction that I want it to go to, or the direction that I trade towards. So I don't mind taking on some higher risk thing, but then that's like for my own account only. Like sometimes I sell crazy put options, which if I get assigned, I will die quite badly also. Yeah, some risky things I do it on my own account only. I don't send it to the group or anything. A bit here and there is definitely okay. No scared. Okay lah, Hazel. Uh, I know you're not scared, but I scared. I know you got no balls, okay? Uh, okay, let's see. Let's see. Actually, every single time bit earnings are also 10. What different? hood diagonal. Don't have lah. I think hood got no diagonal though. No diagonal. I don't think this is a diagonal. Doesn't look like it. Potato for yourself. If FVG is already tapping, you still take it as a valid FVG. Usually, right, whether it taps or not, most importantly, I need to see, alert wave is still the number one strategy for us. I need to see a very nice structure when it taps into FVG. When I don't see that, right, uh, normally, the FVG, I will just forsake it. Right, most important is always alert wave first. Alert wave is the number one strategy. Right, FVG or the OB is just to help to give you a better confluence where likely it will end. Yeah, because you have FIB, right? You have FIB, you have structures, you have FVG, you have OB, you have what, huh? VIX lah, SPY, everything is in your hands, If you combine everything and you find confluence in them, especially when, VIX are at high level, SPY is quite far away from the EMA, so that with all these confluence, even with your support and resistance, all that, your gaps and everything, if you can combine everything together and it's all coincides with your FVG together with your very nice structure, I can tell you, normally when I see that type of trade, I take it without even second thoughts. I will take it. Yes. But then for FVG, you can also say that. But then for FVG, normally you can see those, right? When it doesn't hold, it should really penetrate. Right? It penetrates quite strongly. So I can give you one example. Like over here, this one is definitely a useless FVG. There are plenty of FVG around here. So you can see, right, it just within a short while, it just penetrate. So if you use purely on just FVG, I can tell you, it's pretty much useless lah. So even over here, I give you another FVG. You look, so many FVG, which one hold? That's right. The very first strategy is alert wave. It's always alert wave. Without alert wave, FVGs, I can tell most of the time they are pretty much useless. You can see, right, price come down, don't even respect at all. Just penetrate everything. So those that you saw me putting on, right, usually I have already used wave theory. I saw the structures there, then I put it on. So a lot of times you see my FVG, they are quite far away because I'm using wave analysis. Okay, remember guys, alert wave is always the number one priority. Without alert wave, we are nothing. SYF can. SYF. Can't tell for now, I guess. You max only have 3 wave. So right now you can't really tell. Yeah, this one will need to take some time, maybe 2 weeks or something. Yeah, you wait for the 4th wave to develop first, then we see what it does. Currently, you only have 3 wave. No, I don't have a specific time frame. Usually, I look at it as a whole. So, for example, like this one, right? Possibly, right? We have already broken out. So for this stock, possible has already broken out, right? So if I were to find an FVG, right? Likely, I will go and use something around here. Possibly this, this one doesn't look like an FVG because there's a gap over there. But then,勉强you still can try one. So possibly somewhere down here. Why somewhere down here? Because I'm waiting for the wave structure to develop. And all these above FVG, I can tell you most likely they are all pretty much useless. I can show you one more example here. You look at this. This one is also another FVG, but then you see whether it holds or not. Just look at this. It doesn't hold at all. So without wave theory, I can tell you FVG, they are pretty much useless. You can see, right? Another FVG, but then what happens here? Price straight away penetrate. Doesn't even respect. So if you want to do a lot, previously all around here, you can definitely do it. So simply here, I think you can see a three-way structure. So if you want to, you can just put another FVG here. This one is not bad, right? Because this one, you do see a three-way structure. Yeah, normally I won't put it on first until I see it starts to develop. When I start to understand the structure, then I will try to identify them. Okay. Hey, what traits we need to take, huh? Okay, let me see. My god, why this music so noisy? Change. Okay, let's see. How about Tesla? Still not done though. Yeah, potato, I don't have. Usually also, same thing, top-down analysis. Normally I will try to find on the daily, 4-hourly, 1-hourly. Sometimes I even go down to 15 minutes to find. But very rare for me to go down to 5 minutes to find them. Usually my lowest is about 15 minutes, I think. Yeah, it's always a top-down analysis. So a lot of times, like over in live stream, whenever someone asks me about instrument that I don't understand, you can see me going to the weekly chart. All that is very simple because I want to look at the historical data. I want to look at how it moves. How's the impulse like? How's the correction like? And what type of structures they like to develop, and something like that. I analyze a lot of things at one shot. So I have a very, very good idea, how likely is going to develop next. The historical data will help you a lot. Q-com, I don't think it's ready. I think we need to wait a little bit more. Okay, we go back to SPY again, huh? Let's see SPY. Yeah, SPY, it looks good. SPY looks good. I like it. I like it so much. If we get some consolidation here in the next few days, we continue to short. Yeah, today we already took on quite a few positions, so can pull the brake a little bit now. Pull the brake a little bit, wait for confirmations. Because right now, more than 1.5 hours already, market more or less dead now lah. No momentum. Taking any trades now can be quite dangerous. You just pray hard. You just pray hard, when we short, Donald Trump says something very stupid, then the market plunge. That's when you get really, really happy. Then when you plunge, we start to use that full system to identify when we'll get a bottom. And then we try to, buy quality stocks, and then we aim for the upside again. I think I sent in one try. I think one of you asked about how I identify tops and bottom. I give you that full list. Anyone remember where was it? Here. Okay. If you don't remember, right, I will forward this again to the educational Q&A. Yeah, so y'all can take a look. So if market really tank, go through this whole checklist. Okay, with this, you likely, right, you can pick very, very good bottoms. This is usually, what I do. Then that's how, during the April period, I pick right at the bottom to buy a lot of my stocks. Yeah, you all can, screenshot and then favorite it as a photo or something whenever the market starts to tank, take out this, then go through step by step. Potato ask. Okay. Potato ask. How I find reversal. So this definitely. One day when if one day the market tank very badly, uh, I will show you more examples. You know, every 3 months, 4 months, normally, the market will start to correct a little bit. Uh, I will show you more examples in all the market update videos. I will tell you, what to do, where you should position yourself, how to DCA, all that. Normally, the price are quite good, As long as you have a cash account, I think nothing much for you to worry about. You see, plenty also not going anywhere. My alarm triggered, but then no movement, so just wait, lor. Do you trade gold? I used to trade gold a lot. Live chat, boss. Okay, live chat. Oracle. It's actually not bad. All I can say, Oracle, if you take that trade right there in this current market condition, I would say it's a good risk. It's really a good risk. It's really not bad. Your C wave, you can aim lower. Okay, go and use your flip extension, and you will know exactly where it goes to. Yes, okay. Your that one right is a FVG, and at the same time it's also a OB. It's also an order block together. So it's nice. It's really, really nice. Yeah, I use the very, very simple type of liquidity sweep, OB, all that. But most importantly, I can tell you, you must first understand alert wave. Alert wave, is always the most important thing. Without it, I can show you plenty. You see, this one, there's so many FVG here. I show you one more FVG, okay? And then there's one more FVG. There's also this one not considered lah. So you see, you got two FVG. Which FVG will hold, right? That's why alert wave is always the most important thing. Without alert wave knowledge, you can go to Reddit. Reddit, I do believe, a lot of people will tell you smart money concepts doesn't work because they don't combine with alert wave. So you see another FVG, look at this. Which one will work? The moment you saw this, you already know likely the correction is not done. And then there's one more over here. Go look. There's also one more here. There's so many though. Which one will hold? And then you got one OB around here. Okay, the last one works. And I think you all should more or less understand why the last one will work. Just based on alert wave. There's a lot of confluence, right? Actually, not bad. To be honest, the Oracle that you're looking at is awesome. It's really, really awesome. But because you didn't take the trade right inside here, uh, just drop down to 15 minutes or 5 minutes. Wait for a nice structure here start to show. It's also doable. So you can see, right, our strategy is actually quite versatile. You can drop down to lower time frame and take trades also. Sometimes you will see me, go down to 5 minutes just to find a better entry. And then when I take it, right, but then my stop loss, I put it as a swing trade or something like that. Because I want to understand, internally within here, what is it doing. Okay, XXX, you trade gold or not? If you trade gold, looks ready or not? Possibly, huh? Looks quite ready, Leo. Yeah, if market is, our stock market is not performing, possibly gold can still go up even higher. Can XYZ. You also looking for short, right? But then earnings though, my friend, don't speculate too much earnings, we'll get burned quite badly, relax. Yeah, I think XYZ, you give it until tomorrow first. Until tomorrow. It doesn't fulfill our criteria though. Okay, RBXL coming down. Palantir still coming down a little bit. QCOM, wait for a little bit more. Hazel, Adobe reached your trend line already or not? I remember you draw something like that. Wait, huh? I think you connect somewhere here. Oh, here. Reach out, eh? No. Not yet. Almost. Soon. Okay, nice. We don't draw trend line like that, right? This one is Hazel who draw it herself. You didn't notice that, lah. That's why you said I never put it on my chart because I remember where Hazel put her trend line, but then I never put it on my, because it's not my strategy, it's her own strategy. By right, we should do something like, I think, more like that, more like that. But then our one, the first thing, this trend line already invalid. Look at the deviation around here. Or it's useless. This trend line, I can tell you, it's useless. Yeah, that's why I didn't put any trend lines on my charts. Not too short. What's the rule for connecting trend lines? We need those impulsive move, right? But then do you see any impulsive move around here? You don't, right? So you cannot connect like that. That's why you see my chart got no trend line. All you can tell is that from this top, everything is consolidation. Yeah, but it's okay, It's okay. I do. Okay, this trend line, why I think is still not bad, is because it's clear, it's really clear. Like you can easily tell, this one should be the correct one. So I do believe a lot of traders they are looking at this trend line. So it's okay. It's okay. Unless you tell me you draw one like that, something like that. Wait something like that. I think it's also quite possible. I think there will also be people who connect like this. But then because we use wave theory, right? So this one is not so applicable to us. Did I see XYZ already? Let me check again. XYZ, yeah. Yeah, remember I show you those runaway gaps, all that, right? So, sometimes you can use certain analysis, especially when you can see something that likely most of the traders they will also see it, and that will be more than good enough. Yeah, XYZ I think still need to wait, and earnings is coming. Okay. Yeah, maybe possibly also have to give it a skip though. What else do we have? Today we took quite a lot of stocks already. Maybe let me check this. I like it though. Hmm. Okay, how many positions we have already? 5. Ha, aggressive. Nice rejection for MU. Okay lah, just a small one guys. Okay, before I send this, let me test for myself first. Well, this stock is quite cheap though. Don't know whether can short or not. Okay, can. Nice. Palantir waterfall now. Let me see. Okay lah. This move is uh, okay lah. 3%, giving back 3%. I will still hold it. I will still hold it. I'll still hold, and then maybe next 1 or 2 days I decide whether I want to get out or not. CMCSA, CMCSA. Hey Hazel, where can you actually send me your watch list or not? The whole of your watch list. Then I go and scan through, or then maybe over the weekend or something. I want to add more into my watch list. Thank you, huh? Hey, by the way, how you send people your watch list though? Import list, no. Okay, this one is dropping already. Okay, okay. Is there earnings coming? Okay lah, okay lah. I search lah. I search. Okay, I search. No worries, no worries. Yeah, I also don't know where it goes to. No worries. Okay, I can search. Hazel. I just type Hazel. Ayo, we keep calling your name. Next. By the way, what do you press? How come you can set your watch list out? Can teach me or not? I didn't know that you can share your watch list with other people though. Oh, you sent me already. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. Okay, okay. I will forward this to the admin chats. Okay, admin chats, so it won't be gone. Okay, okay, got it. Thank you, thank you. This one also. Okay, okay. Wait, So, okay, wait. Let me double confirm, What did I send in? I never sent in. Wait. Okay, no worries. I will. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I know liao. I know liao. Admin chats. Oh, you sent both already. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Adobe, I think we'll go down more though. Possibly more downside. How's that Figma? Talking about Adobe, let's see Figma. Hey. For you, commit suicide. Figma can short or not? Back to the IPO price. Nope, nope, nope. Normally my style, I don't catch a falling knife. I have a strategy, to identify when it stops tanking, and then I'll get in. Usually the price is fantastic one. Don't have to catch the bottom. Don't have to try to pick a falling knife. Oh, you bought at 140. You use a cash account? Let me know whether you use a margin account or cash account. Cash account, I think nothing to worry lah. It's up to you, how you want to manage it. Because uh, for me, right, I really don't know. It's the honest truth. I don't know whether it will go up from here or it will tank down even lower. Yeah, I believe by at this current moment, right, nobody can tell where it will goes to. No, so if you believe in this company, you like this company, you can DCA, when it starts to go lower. Because it's a new company for me, so I don't have much confidence. I will only have one try. I also thought of buying, but right now I don't see the opportunity yet. So if I spot the opportunity, I will definitely buy. Buy already, just that one try, and then I'll just leave it there. Well, of course, I expect it to move maybe within the next 3 months or something. If it doesn't move, I just take the loss. This is my style, my style for long-term investment. Lulu, don't ask me about Lulu already, okay? Too many people ask me about Lulu. I don't even know how to help you. Okay, Lulu, if you want to know what happens when you catch a falling knife, go to my TikTok profile. My TikTok profile, right? There's this, you just go and look at these photos. Okay, the title or the thumbnail, right, is 2 months of solid gains gone in days. Just go and read that one. Go and read that one, and you will understand why I don't catch a falling knife. It's one of the followers. Yep, he sent me his account asking me for help, all that. But right now he's a student already lah. He decided to join in. Lulu, good. Yeah, actually looks not bad, not bad, not bad. I think you know how to take this trade, like Hazel. No need to give you advice. Earnings, okay, still long, still long. 28. You still got 23 days to go. Still a long time. Amazing. I also don't know how you all send that watch list though. If I know, I just send my watch list to everyone. For excuse me, for Lulu, right? Give, the one on TikTok, I think she spot a nice opportunity. Market did liao. Not moving. What do you mean, Hazel? I don't quite understand though. You use like that. Can tell Hazel likes pink color and purple color. Oh, share list. Okay, okay. How? Oh, okay, okay. Share list. Oh, copy link. Understood, understood. Okay, okay, okay. Nice, nice, nice. You got blue also. Okay. Lulu. Okay, If you want to know more, I think you can WhatsApp me personally lah. Not nice to say over here because I do all this though. I do all the text lah and everything. So you know many ways lah, many ways to do things. Yeah. So if you are doing trading, right, all I can tell you, you don't need to pay a single cent of tax on your capital gain, huh? But then dividend, you need to pay tax 30%. But the dividend one, just give them is, you come here to trade the market or invest in the market. I don't think you are here to earn the dividend. Your capital gain far exceeds the dividend that they give it to you. No need. You are not US residents. Only US residents, right? If they are doing day trading, they would be taxed up to 30%. And then if they do long-term investment, up to 20%. Yes, full-time, no matter how much you make. 100 million, 200 million, Singapore, zero capital gain tax. Yeah, that's why trading is the best thing. But then there's a downside, huh? If someday, you make a lot of money from trading and then you want to, go and buy a condo or something, right? And then you go and show funds, they call it show funds. A lot of times they will turn you down. Because in the eyes of law, you are not working, you are not employed. You don't have any contribution to the society. You are like a freeloader. Yeah, because you got no CPF, you got no income proof, nothing. That's the downside as a full-time trader. Even when you go to, when you go to like banks or that, you tell them you want to apply for credit cards or that, they will always ask you to show funds first. Even if you become their wealth customer, they will also ask you to show funds. Yeah, I don't know about cards or that. I only use those very, very simple one that can give me, Caltex discount, online shopping and dining. That is more or less about it already. And a few cards, for large purchases. So most of the cards I use cashback. Because I use another app for collecting miles already. So I don't need any more mouse card. You want to long aim, okay? Really now? Don't lie, sister. Really? Don't give me a heart attack, can or not? That looks scary though. Cause of one time, one guy who is a short seller, he say he also declare. Short seller, he also declare. Is he from the US or not? Because for Singapore, you don't have to declare anything. No, okay, don't have to declare. Yeah, so far, all my incomes for the past 10, 11 years, I have never ever once, although over there, they ask you, whether you got do trading or that, I don't even put anything. He declared how government also cannot do anything, IRS cannot do anything. They cannot possibly tax you for that. Just put empty, put empty. No, I'm employed, okay? I have my own business also. Yeah, but then under the like other incomes for trading, investment, all that, just put empty lah. So far no issue. Because really Singapore zero capital gain tax. You can see we use Perplexity. It's there's few other countries Yeah, full-time intraday doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You are not US residents. You can see, right? Singapore does not have capital gain tax. Financial instruments are generally not taxable in Singapore because the main issue, is what or not? If IRAS, right, were to tax you, okay, based on your capital gain, right, and then what if the next year you don't make any money or even you went into negative, IRAS will need to rebate you your tax. That's the biggest issue. They don't have a system to do that. So they need to have a system to do that before they can tax you. But Singapore, likes to have free trade with a lot of countries, all that, try to make a lot of friends. I think this, capital gain tax thing will forever lah. They will not have capital gain tax. Yes, no need. You make 100 million, 1 billion, also zero tax, my friend. Zero. Unless you are a company, okay, a company doing like maybe prop firm or something, you make money, that one is taxable. Don't have to lah, don't have to. Singapore zero, really, really zero. Really zero. That's why if you are Singaporean, you don't invest, is a waste though, really a waste. Imagine US residents, they are being taxed based on considered as their accessible income. So just imagine you make 100k from trading, then after that, maybe 20-30% got taxed away. And then your broker charge you all these fees, and then throughout the entire year you still have to go up. Go through all the roller coaster rides. Wow, brother, I cannot read Chinese characters. You can do me a favor now. You can type in English. INTU. I don't think so. Usually the expanding one, right? It looks very, very nice, like the one that you saw on Tesla. Uber. Is this Uber possible? Possible, but wait, okay. Earnings tomorrow after market close. Unless you are lucky, Uber turns out to become Wingstop. The one that Adrian fine. Very, very similar. The few faster get out. Without thinking about tax. Yeah, Singapore got no tax lah. No tax for capital gain. Don't even need to declare. You mean UPST? Yeah. No. Because Uber, right? If you take a look at Uber, you can see, right, this structure and this structure is quite similar to Wingstop. This part, remember? We were monitoring it for a while, but then because of earnings, no earnings, it just suddenly spiked up already. Then we missed the whole trade. Wow, Hazel, how you can type in live stream, go back to Discord so fast, like shoo, you are here and there. so fast though. Oh, you use computer. Okay. You're all watching on computer. You also got 2 screen. Nice. Hazel, you doing trading full time already, is it? I got a feeling you don't intend to go back to work. You cannot block, then I use Discord. Okay, okay. You started working already, meh? Oh, nice, nice. What job do you find? You're going Japan 8 to 21. Wow, that's a long time, man. 8, 8, 8 to 21. That's like 2 weeks. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Good, 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 good. You should do so lah. Oh, cannot say one way, really? Okay, 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 okay. I didn't know that. Okay, okay. 加油，加油，加油 for your new job. Oh, really? I got this type of pantang thing. Guys, market like dead liao. It's really dead liao. Oh, for you, yes. Okay, okay. My first time hearing that though. Oh, I say market dead liao. First thing random come. Hello. Late to the party. Hey, no worries, no worries, random. Nice to see you again. Coming kena whack again. Better run before kena whack. Okay lah, guys, we stream for another 10 more minutes, okay? Then after that, we are done for the day. Today, good trades. Hopefully, the market will continue to drop even more. Hey, Spotify looks quite good though. Oh, your earnings again. My god. Oh, random, you still need to work at this timing? Really? My god, you need to complain to MOM already. You work from home or you still in office? Wow, 加油 brother, 加油. Go for it. Hopefully, the interview goes well, get a new job, more work-life balance. Okay, 加油加油 brother. My company got no work-life balance. Then you change for what? What's the point of changing? hire you ah. Hey, don't. Okay, okay, okay. Maybe I haven't shared this in the next live stream. Random when you are on again, you can ask me about this REA thing again. Then I will share my story. Okay, the next one is going to be quite long though, because I want to share about life lessons that y'all can learn right? Because y'all come into the group all that. It's not just purely just on trading all that. I can share with you, some very real life lessons. You sure not? It's good, It's good. It's good. If you want to make your first pot of gold, uh, REA is really not bad. Random when you come here, getting Su, I can tell you is very, very, very normal. Yes, Raymond, yes, correct, correct. That's why you see we are shorting the market instead of long. Even simply using wave theory, you also more or less can tell already. Possible, possible. Not changing your trend, but then, a larger consolidation. Yes, next live stream, you ask me again, okay? Then after that, I can share more. I can share more. Amazon, how is it? Okay, just wait for a little bit. Just wait for a little bit. I think nothing much to worry for Amazon. BLX. First time I see such a huge move to the downside. Palantir possibly also pulling back a little bit. Oh, okay, okay. PAYC. PAYC Wednesday after market close. Got earnings again Oh, this one looks like a good shot though. If no earnings, maybe I'll go for a shot. Wow, this one beautiful, beautiful. Even the daily also looks beautiful for a shot though. Okay, a lot of times really, just purely using alert wave, you don't know why. Just look at structure, you see that short setup, and then when earnings comes, right, suddenly it just tank. Yeah, it's a thing that we always have to go through. Every 3 months we have like this, these 3 weeks where there are a lot of earnings, then it will affect us. Sometimes we cannot get no good setups. Even if those that looks fantastic, but then because of earnings we will need to skip it. Then that goes our profit already. How's ETH doing? ETH is not bad. Okay, I remember someone recommend me a crypto, I think it's this. Okay, not bad. Also holding up quite well, and this crypto is quite cheap. Pengu. Okay, guys, we will end the live stream. Okay, thank you everyone for coming. I appreciate you coming here. Every single day, supporting me. I hope to see you tomorrow. Good night. Bye bye. Stay safe. See you guys. Bye bye. Take care.